Give me under a minute, and I'll wipe out your fear of getting started for good. I know exactly what's going through your head. What if I fail? What if people criticize me? What if I begin and can't follow through? So you keep delaying. Another day, another week, another year. Forever stuck on someday. But here's the real truth. That heavy anxiety you feel in your chest right now, it's actually worse than doing the work itself. Your brain is just exaggerating the task to shield you from any discomfort. That's why you sit around waiting for motivation to magically appear. Here's the game changer. You don't need motivation. You need momentum. And momentum only kicks in once you break through that wall of doing nothing. So pick the tiniest possible step. Write a single sentence. Do one push-up. Take one single step forward. Done imperfectly beats not done perfectly every single time. The moment you take any action, you've already conquered the toughest part. Stop waiting until you feel ready or inspired. Soon you'll look back and wonder why you were ever scared to start in the first place.